The Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is a remarkable step forward in the world of wearable technology. Designed to prioritize wellness, this device combines advanced features with sleek aesthetics. At its core is a solid-state battery that delivers over 7 days of continuous usage. This long battery life ensures convenience, letting users focus on their health without worrying about frequent recharging. It is a thoughtful feature that reflects Samsung's commitment to creating devices that fit seamlessly into daily life. The enhanced wellness features of the Galaxy Ring 2 are truly groundbreaking. It is equipped with tools to improve sleep quality, manage stress effectively, and even monitor body temperature. These functions offer a more holistic view of wellness, enabling users to gain valuable insights about their physical and mental health. The inclusion of these features makes the Galaxy Ring 2 a powerful companion for anyone looking to maintain or improve their well-being. Samsung has also paid special attention to the ring's design. The Galaxy Ring 2 boasts a slimmer profile and is available in multiple sizes. This makes it not only comfortable to wear, but also ensures a snug fit for users with different preferences. The sleek design strikes the perfect balance between functionality and style, making the ring suitable for any occasion, from everyday tasks to workout sessions. It is clear that Samsung has placed comfort and user experience at the forefront of the design. Another notable feature is the Galaxy Ring 2's integration of advanced AI technology. These AI-powered tools provide personalized health tracking and insights tailored to the user's individual needs. By analyzing data in real time, the Galaxy Ring 2 delivers recommendations that help users make informed decisions about their wellness journey. This fusion of artificial intelligence and health tracking underscores Samsung's commitment to innovation and user-centric technology. Storage and usability also deserve special mention. The Galaxy Ring 2 promises intuitive operation and effortless interaction with its features, ensuring a smooth user experience. It is more than just a wearable device. It acts as a comprehensive health assistant that adapts to the user's lifestyle and goals. The anticipated launch of the Galaxy Ring 2 is set for summer or fall 2025, with a starting price of $399. This competitive pricing reflects the value offered by its state-of-the-art features and thoughtful design. It positions the Galaxy Ring 2 as an attractive choice for those seeking the latest in wearable tech without compromising affordability. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is not just a gadget. It's a groundbreaking tool designed to empower users in their pursuit of health and wellness. With extended battery life, advanced wellness features, sleek design, and AI-powered insights, it sets a new standard for wearable technology. As the release date approaches, anticipation continues to build for what could be a transformative device in the realm of personal wellness. The question remains, is this the ultimate wearable for holistic health? The Galaxy Ring 2 certainly makes a compelling case.